Hey friends, foodies, and Half a Plan family, welcome back to my Caliente kitchen. I am so excited today because I am making a delicious and nutritious salad. You are going to simply love it. My latest is my Chickpea Avocado Salad with a high protein dressing. And now the ingredients for the salad are fresh ripe avocados, vibrant cherry tomatoes, nutrient-packed chickpeas, crispy celery, sweet red peppers, and flavorful green onions. And for our protein-packed dressing, cottage cheese, chickpeas, basil, cucumber, and olive oil. Now, let's get cooking. Let's cut those fresh avocados in half and chop your sweet peppers, cherry tomatoes, and green onions to add a pop of flavor, and they look beautiful. Now, here comes the start of the show, our high protein dressing. We're blending cottage cheese, chickpeas, cucumber, basil, olive oil, and lemon juice. This is a creamy protein-packed dressing that elevates our salad to the next level. And now let's add some of the salad into each half of the avocados. And for the finishing touch, we'll pour some of the protein-packed dressing over our salad. And voila! Here is a beautiful and delicious chickpea avocado salad ready to impress. This salad is not just a side dish, it can be also a main meal or snack. This dish is high in protein and fiber, two nutrients that can help with weight loss and maintenance. The protein comes from the chickpeas and cottage cheese, and the fiber from the avocados and the rest of the vegetables. As we celebrate National Nutrition Month, let's remember that it's crucial to eat more fruits and vegetables of all kinds, fresh, frozen, canned, and dry. They all are nutritious and can help our overall health. And now, my friends, the best part, the taste. Perfecto. This is a true testament that healthy food and nutritious food can be delicious. Make it and tell me what you think. To get this delicious recipe, visit my blog, Villacorta.com. The link is on the post, written on the post. Now, if you like what you've seen, please like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Manuel's Caliente Nutrition topic and recipe. Well, thank you for watching and happy eating, and until next time, my friends, bye-bye.